Hi, my name is Mr. Glenn and I work here at Springfield School, Raffles Hills. On the window to our Primary 1 classroom we have this motto: we may all be different fish, but in this school we all swim together. And I think that sums up what we try to do here at Springfield School. At Springfield School, we want to not just focus on the academics, English, mathematics, science, Mandarin. We want to give our students an opportunity to excel in other ways. These other ways include presenting themselves on stage in front of a crowd, and we all know how difficult that can be. It can be very hard standing up and talking or singing or dancing before an auditorium full of children and parents. But here at Springfield, we still think that's important. And we know that not every child is warm or warms to that particular experience. The word that comes to my mind is gauche or gawky, and a lot of students don't feel comfortable. But we try to encourage them to have a go anyway, to do something as a group that they may not have the opportunity to do elsewhere. And so, what you're about to see is our Primary 4B class perform in front of their parents and the rest of primary school as they try to come together as a class, perform as a team in presenting the assembly. Of course, we're not looking for perfection. We just want to give our students an opportunity to have a go.
First of all, the purpose of this assembly is to glorify our God, to worship our God. And then the second is we bring out the students' ability, talents, confidence, and also leadership. The topic of today's assembly is Engage or Stay Focused, which is the school theme for this year. The rundown for this assembly is, the first, we open it in prayer, and then after that we worship our God through songs and dance. We invite the students, parents, and teachers to join with us. And the next one is drama, and after that the students' performances such as dancing and choir. And after that, we worship our God again through songs and dance. And the last one, we close it in a prayer. Hopefully, through this assembly, the students can learn how to stay focused in everything that they do, so they can achieve the best that they can.